Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this electric hair trimmer, and this was sent to us by Happy Nuts for us to check out today. Now this thing right here, very sleek and stylish, and it is 100% waterproof, so you can take this with you anywhere and get the job done. Really, really cool here. This top right here, that just pops off like that, and then you can put your little nose hair, ear hair trimmer on there. It only goes one way. You'll see inside there, right there, boom, just goes together like that. Push the button, and then that activates it. Not very much noise at all to that. And then in order to take this off, we're just gonna fastens on there really well, which is good. You don't want this thing falling off. And then we're back to this one. There we go. And then you have these clips right here. They clip on. This one's 1, 3, or 5 millimeters, and then you just push them on there, and then you can adjust those by sliding them up or down. There's 1 position, 2 position, and 3 position, and then the exact same thing here with this other one. You can put it on 3 different positions as well. 1 position, 2 position, 3 position, and then you just pop it off just like that. Has a little thing here, brush to clean off everything whenever you are done. And then like I said, this is waterproof, so you can also easily clean it by running some water over it. Has your charging cable here. It's going to have a USB-A on one side, USB-C on the other side, and then that does just plug in here to the bottom. It also comes with your instructions right here, very basic. So let's go ahead and try this out. We will turn it on, and then we'll put my arm up here, and we're going to give it a little cut. There we go. Look at that, smooth. That's a baby's bottom. So yeah, overall, really cool little thing right here. Says it's not supposed to cut things that it's not supposed to cut, so that's good. Has these little plastic guards inside there, so definitely nice. High quality stuff right here. I've reviewed a couple of these, and I actually really like this one. So once again, this one right here, it's an electric hair trimmer, and it is from Happy Nuts. This one here is called the Lumberjack.